Good afternoon and welcome you all to the International Virtual Conference on COVID-19 Challenges and Opportunities successfully organized by India Institute of Tourism and Hotel Management, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar University, Agra, and School of Business, Howard University, Washington, D.C. I, Dr. Sabanis, Assistant Professor from Al Barkat Institute of Education, Aligarh, going to present today on the topic Online Classes and Stress Involved in Context to Working Mothers. As we all know that the novel coronavirus pandemic has confronted us with various novel challenges and tremendously affected each and every sector of our life. Education, being one of the most important sector, has also been hardly hit by it, but continuously and rapidly working to convert its challenges into opportunities. A major paradigm shift from traditional teaching to online classes is one of the most important step towards creating a virtual world for students. Pressure to complete academic calendar on time, dangers of internet exposure to young children, increase in the screen timings for students, alienation of economical disadvantaged students are some of the global challenges in the road to ensure educational continuity during this lockdown period. Since almost every individual at each level is facing a challenge during this home lockdown situation, the most affected person of a family, we can say, is the mother of school going children, especially the working mothers. There are certain issues which I need to focus on this platform to highlight the concerns of working mothers in Indian society. Issues like overlapping of timings, single device to operate for the working mother as well as for the online classes of their wards, time management, work-life imbalances, unreal expectations from employer as well as teachers, as now they are 24/7 in connectivity with the parents, monitoring teenagers to restrict distractions on online mode, full-time involvement of working mother for smaller grade students, and excessive use of screen by children. And especially this condition becomes worse when the mothers used to work as doctors, police, nurses, and other administrative posts. Physical ailments like headaches, back pains, eye strains are the signs and symptoms of the stress created by this online mode. Lack of domestic help, domestic worker for working mothers is also acting as a stressor for working mothers. So here are certain considerations to overcome the situation which I propose for on this platform. That is, to change the approach, that is from unrealistic expectations from yourself to the realistic one. That mothers can't be turned into super moms. So they have to realize this point, that unreal expectations, they don't have to make unreal expectations from themselves. Prioritize your work, plan and maintain a routine, involve your spouse, maintain a calendar to do tasks, have a special place to work, delegate some work to other members including the children, try to work in shifts and ask your boss to provide flexibility in working hours. Schools should provide online classes through video conferencing, and assignments for students to be provided in video forms, especially for lower grade students, encouraging the lesser involvement of parents. A platform like Google Classroom should be adopted for higher classes only, and use of DTH platform for smaller grade students also. Since these stressors which I have discussed earlier are acting as are creating stress and acting as a stressor, and are adversely affecting the well-being of the working mothers as well as other family members also. Such stressors can create the condition of anxiety, depression, and even turned into burnout in some situations. So we can say, I would like to conclude with the words that the present COVID-19 situation is pushing us towards such a contemporary virtual world of education, in which we have landed in the middle, having no other option but to swim and to come out. Thank you.